Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Blessed by Nika. I am Nika. Today I will be doing a makeup look. I will also let you guys see some of the newer products that I've been using. I used them in the last video and I will be using them in this video as well. As I'm doing this look, I'm going to be on the phone talking. So yeah, let's jump right into this look, you guys. So hold tight.
I already shaped my eyebrow the way I wanted it to be. The only thing I'm doing is going in and cleaning it up with some eyeshadow base. You can use concealer or whatever you choose to use. The choice is yours, but I use eyeshadow base because I tend to do looks where the eyeshadow comes to my brow line. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. I never know exactly what look I will be doing. I just let my hands do their work. So just do what's best for you, basically. Right here, you're going to see me use my powder puff to blend on the eyelid and on top of the brow line. Anyway, I'm using my powder puff to do so. I love the triangle shape. I'm able to get in to my corners like I want to. I'm calling it a sponge in the video, but I know it's powder puff, you guys. And so now I'm going in and I'm putting shadow on, and I'm trying my best to layer it on top and blend as best as possible because the eyeshadow palette that I will be showing you is a very crappy one. So you're going to see that now.
That I wanted to use, but I would definitely be looking for another palette because this one totally sucks because it's not that pigmented or whatever, even though it may look like it is because of how my light is shining. Let me see, can I turn my light down so you guys can see what I'm talking about? Okay, I may need to use a different lighter. Okay, there we go. Let me turn it up a little bit. So if you guys can see, like the pigment sucks. Like it's still kind of light or whatever. The pigment, I mean the color is still kind of light. So I'm gonna have to try to build color onto this eyelid to get it looking decent because it's look.
Right here, I'm using another eyeshadow palette to get the colors that I'm using now. And I will put all this in the description box below for you guys. And the reason I'm going into the shape I'm going into and I'm leaving the area open is because I'm going in with some dual lash glue later. And I'm going to place some glitter in that open spot. And that is what I'm doing right here. Right here, I put Vaseline under the eye to try to clean up the glitter that fell under the eye while I was placing the fine glitter on top of the eyelid itself. You can use whatever you choose to clean up with, because you can use makeup wipes or whatever you choose. But this is what I wanted to use. And I went back in under the eye with a paper towel. Right here, I'm going in with some moisturizer to keep the skin moisturized.
I wet my sponge with my setting spray. And maybe that's another reason that it helps my makeup out or whatever, because that's what I'm doing. Like literally dapping my sponge with my setting spray, and then I blend it out. Ooh. The highlighter itself is it's decent and it's a decent price, but I really don't like the palette itself because the palette itself is kind of flimsy, and as you can see, it's like made out of cardboard and crap. And if you continue to use it, it will wear and tear, and eventually it'll tear up. So that's something that I don't like or whatever. And so I hope they're out there watching. I hope you guys can and will fix that in the future. I'm gonna use this highlight and this one. And again, maybe I should use this one. Yeah, we'll use these two on this side. Okay, these two on this side. I'm gonna use my large fan brush to get a better product. I want the gold to be on my cheeks. Hey guys, I'm back. I want to give you a proper exit because I didn't do so earlier. I'm sorry, I was in a rush. I had to go. The products that I used, I will put in the description box, you guys. I will let you guys see. But this is the final look to all my babies that's on a budget or whatever. You can definitely get this look without high-end makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I really love it. I love the glow. I love the shimmer or whatever. And so yeah. I had a red lip. I changed it out and did a nude lip, and that was it or whatever. I did not add or put anything else on my face or whatever. So yeah, this is it. This is the final look, and that girl is good. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.